Hi, welcome to Chart Chatter with Chatur Charts for your daily dose of what the charts are talking about today and where is it likely to go. Uh, Before we try to find out as to why Nifty or Bank Nifty is so volatile and why do we see so much of intraday movements, I think it's important for us to understand as to what the US markets are doing. And that's precisely the reason why we have all the jerks that's occurring out here. So if you look at the weekly chart of Dow Jones, you will see that from a high of 36,000 that it had made, right now it's at 33,228. And this is the second time in the last few weeks that it has again taken support at the 32,000 level. So with the Fed rate hike meeting in progress that starts today and concludes tomorrow, it'll be interesting to see whether there's going to be a 75 basis point hike or the Fed is happy to remain with 50 basis point hike. So that is something that is going to be an overhang on the markets for the next two sessions. So Dow Jones is also likely to be extremely volatile. One very interesting observation with the US 500, that it's the S&P 500. S&P 500 has always been the torchbearer of the world global markets, and S&P 500 has determined which way the world markets move, especially the equity markets. So you will see that there has been a harmonic bat pattern which has caused a major correction in the S&P 500, coupled with the 50-day simple moving average cutting down across the 200-day moving average, which spells doomsday, or as it's called, the death cross. So the death cross has actually occurred on 11th of March. And ever since then, defying all pundit predictions, S&P 500 made a dash towards 4,600, but failed to hold on to the high. And that high, interestingly, was around the golden ratio retracement of 61%. So it failed to hold that high, and thereafter it has crashed, and it retested the zero or the negative extension of minus 1.272. But it has bounced back and it's right around in the 23% zone. So unless S&P 500 is able to breach the level of 4,400, global equity markets will still not be out of the woods. At a minimum, S&P 500 has to cross 4,395 or 4,400 for it to be sustaining this rally globally. Now coming back to the Nasdaq, which is the flagship index for IT stocks in the US, has been correcting, and that is one reason why Nifty IT and the Indian IT stocks have suddenly lost more than 4,000 points in the last 1 month alone. So Indian markets are really jittery over whatever is happening in the US. As far as Nifty is concerned, it is still trying to show signs of strength. And that's the reason why you'll see that despite falling in a descending falling channel, Nifty has been correcting since the beginning of April. But last week, it attempted to move out of the channel and attempted a 17,400, which is a very, very significant resistance level for it to cross, but failed to cross that level. And again, tested a 16,900 band. Nifty has been moving in the 16,900 to 17,400 band over the last 4 months, and attempted to break out of this falling channel, got beaten down. But in the last session, that was on Monday, 2nd of May, it made a valiant attempt to come out of the channel and made a decent bullish candle and closed at 17,069. So it will be interesting to see whether it surpasses the first resistance of 17,100 and re-attempts a high towards 17,100. But I personally expect a lot of volatility until the Fed meeting outcome is known, and thereafter probably either a breakout attempt towards 17,400 or a retest of 15,800 is likely. On the other hand, Bank Nifty is also showing strength, but not that great strength as Nifty does, because PSU banks are pulling down Bank Nifty. It's only the handful of private banks that are kind of holding it up. So Bank Nifty is also trying to break out of the resistance zone of 36,800. Until that is broken, Bank Nifty may not move up and may retest the 35,600 levels in case of any unfavorable decision of the Fed. So we need to watch this space very closely over the next two sessions until the Fed outcome is known. And so we'll again see what Nifty and Bank Nifty does tomorrow. It's expected to be very volatile, and a lot of caution is necessary. Well, let's watch out for this space a little more closely. These findings and these narratives are purely educational in nature, and not a recommendation for any trade whatsoever. If you do like this video, please subscribe to this channel and kindly hold on for more updates. Thank you so much.